My hair is going crazy. Look at this. Look, what is this doing? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about dun, 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 and the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. Seriously, so excited. I cheated. I played with this yesterday. I got it in the mail and I couldn't resist. I was like, no, I gotta play with it. So, this is what she looks like. Literally the perfect eyeshadow palette for like a soft glam look, hence the name. Hello. And for me, the star of the show is the Amrezy and Anastasia highlighter. I mean, seriously, if you don't think this is gorgeous, something's wrong with you. Look at it. It's so pretty. Like, I just want to take all my highlighters and throw this away because this one is just so pretty. I didn't touch this, but it makes me feel that way. So, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you become a part of my Julesy family. There's only so many of us, but hey, we're family. And let's just get right into the video. So this is take 2. I literally did my intro and everything, and I forgot the brows. I was like, wait, I look like an alien. I was like, oh, I have all my makeup on, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, left my brows off. I'm like, how am I supposed to do an eyeshadow look with no brows? How does that work? Like, it doesn't, like, unless you want to be crazy and do it after. I'm sorry, but that doesn't work. No. Not in this household, okay? So for today, I'm not really going for a super smoky eye or intense eye. I mean, there aren't intense colors, but there are at the same time. Like here, especially more so this color and these colors are a bit darker. I mean, obviously black is black, but I don't really want to do something super smoky, cray, so we're gonna just see how this goes, because I literally don't have a look planned out or anything. I literally just wing it every time. Except I don't wing my eyeliner, because I suck at that. Still working on it, okay? So every Anastasia eyeshadow palette comes with a dual-ended brush. They are pretty nice. To start our soft glam look, I'm gonna go in with Tempera, which is this shade right here. It's the perfect bone color shade. I'm just going to use the blender brush and put that all over my lid. Now, there is some kickback. Like, I barely touched it and I don't know. Every Anastasia eyeshadow does it, but we'll see how it works. So far these feel really nice. I mean, I'm only one color in, but from yesterday when I was playing around with the palette, it felt really nice. They blended so easily, and I'm happy with it. Now that our lid is done, I'm gonna go in with orange soda. It's the perfect light transition shade, and again I'm going to use the blending brush side, and I'm just gonna start building up the transition, but these blend like a dream. And I'm sorry if you can hear the wind chimes outside. I have a wind chime outside my window. It's quite windy out. I'm legitimately barely tapping into these colors, and that is the amount of pigment that we're getting. So I'm just taking this color and I'm gonna blend it up towards the brow bone, just so there's a nice gradient effect. The next shade I want to use is Burnt Orange. right below orange soda. It's the light brown version of orange soda. And I'm going to put this in my crease more so than I did the orange soda color. And again, I'm just using the using the blending brush that we've been using the entire time. And then I'm going to blend up and blend everything together. And I'm pressing very, very lightly. You don't want to press too hard because then that color is just going to stay in one spot. It's not going to want to move. So right there. Next shade's calling my name is Dusty Rose. It's the perfect mauve color. I'm just like dying. I'm going to take Dusty Rose on this smaller shader brush. Got this at Target. I've used it in a couple tutorials. I don't know what the brand is or whatever. I think it's literally a Target brand. So I'm just going to tap into my brush and I'm going to tap it into the outer corner. And then we will blend it out when we're done. Literally so beautiful. Oh my god. I feel like these colors look a little lighter on camera than they do in real life. Like on my eyes, that looks darker in person. But I'm not mad. There. Okay, now we're gonna blend it out. What kind of noise is that? Now I'm going to blend out Dusty Rose with the blending side of the dual-ended brush. So there are no harsh edges, and I'm kind of bringing this color up a little to make a nice line like up, if you catch what I'm trying to say. And I don't have any more product on the brush. Literally just blending out what is on our eyes. Using the same little shading brush we were using, I'm going to deepen up the outer corner with Cypress Umber, which is this brown right here, just a little bit. I don't want too much. That is a color that is in the Modern Renaissance. I was just looking at that, as well as Burnt Orange and Tempera. Okay, whatever. So Tempera, this is the first shade that we used. Then we have Burnt Orange, which is the third shade we used. And then Cypress Umber is right here. Literally is the same. Same. Tempera, Burnt Orange, Tempera's Umber. That doesn't make me mad. It's a little frustrating. Like when you get a new eyeshadow palette, you want new shades. Not something that's copy and pasted from one eyeshadow palette to the next. Man, that like kind of upsets me. Don't know why, but it does. Like I was saying, taking that Cypress Umber color, tapping off the excess, and just going to pat that in the outer corner. See how I'm like building up the corner? I want it to have like a nice edge. Going to again blend that out with the blending brush and just use the brush oh so lightly, and then take the color and sweep it into the crease. I want to soften up this edge right here with the Cypress Umber that we put down. I want to go back in with Orange Soda, which was the second shade. And I'm just putting a little on my brush. There we go. I just want to soften up that edge a little. I don't want it so harsh. This is what we have so far. I think it looks beautiful. Now, I'm not going to carve the crease out, but I am going to take a little bit of, okay. So I'm going to take a little bit of the MAC Fix Plus, spray that on my brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade. I'm going to go in with Glistening, and the brush just totally fell out. It's a very nice white champagne gold type of color, and I'm going to put this on my lid and see how it goes. That is beautiful. You can't see on camera, but that is beautiful. Just putting it about halfway. Kind of looks more like 3/4 of the way, but and I'm bringing this color into the inner corner just a little bit. Now we're going to finish up our lower lash line so we can kind of connect everything together. I'm gonna go in with the shade Burnt Orange, since that's like a majority of what our transition shade is. And I'm using the Morphe G27 pencil brush. I like how I said I didn't want this like too crazy, and I feel like this is a little crazy. So now I'm going to take my Morphe M505 blending brush and blend it a little so it doesn't look crazy. And I am going to blend up here just a little since I never did. Because I'm a space cadet today. And to finish the lower lash line, I'm going to mix together Dusty Rose and Cypress Umber, and I'm going to put that on only half. I'm going to stop like right here, you can see. I'm going to stop like halfway, and I'm trying to connect the colors from above our lower lash line to our lower lash line, just so it all comes together. And again, gonna blend that with my Morphe M505. So it all comes together. And that is the eye look. I'm gonna throw on some lashes, some mascara, and I will be right back. I'm back! So this is what the look Now looks like with lashes and mascara. For lashes, I never say what I use, but I use the Kiss New York lashes in the style Ritzy. They are my favorite. They're my go-to lashes. I love them. And then for mascara, I use my tried and true Lash Paradise. To brighten up the eyes just a little, I'm going to use this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. I'm going to put this in my waterline just to make it so the eyes are like, yeah, holy cow, that's kapow. Now they look more open, more wide awake. Moving on. We're going to move on to lips really quick because they feel like a naked mole rat. And I'm going to use the Velvet Liquid Lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Naked. I think it's like the perfect brown, nude. There. Moving on to the baby. So, I literally have not used this. Let's look. Okay. See this? It's going to go on our face. It's literally like, I could just watch this for hours. We're going to put this on our face. We're going to use the Morphe M510 brush. Does this have a name? Yeah, it doesn't have a name. It just says highlighter, so. That is so beautiful. Literally. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm going in for a second. Coat, cause why the F not? Like, do you see this? Do you see it? Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so happy that I have this in my collection. And my collection is becoming quite large. Seriously? I'm glowing now. Are you kidding me? Then, I hope this is a permanent item so I can constantly buy this and just keep it in my collection. I don't have words for this. Like, I don't. It's so beautiful. Blue, literally blew my expectations out of the water. I thought I was gonna be like, oh yeah, it's great. Like, yeah, I've been seeing a lot of things of it online and pictures and whatever, but people Photoshop things. This is not Photoshop. This is right now. This is real life. Okay. So I'm going to set my face now. I never do this on camera. I don't know why, but I always forget. But I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus. I love the scent of this. It's like perfect cucumbers and just so light. I like to press my setting spray into my skin because I feel like it really, really makes your makeup last a lot longer. And I actually got that tip from Laura Lee, and ever since I saw her do it and how she pats it in, excuse me, I've been doing it ever since. Okay, y'all, that is it for this video about the Amrezy highlighter and the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I love the look for today. I love that it is very soft glam. It's not too harsh, and this highlighter though, oh my god, I can't get enough of it. So if you guys like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye guys!